In order to understand telescopes, it is necessary to understand something about the behavior of rays from distant objects and how they are brought to a focus by a lens. Light rays from a single point on a distant object travel in all directions as shown. Rays received by a distant observer will be almost parallel as shown here. Parallel rays from the top of the moon, as shown here, will arrive at a certain angle to parallel rays arriving from the bottom of the distant moon. In the diagram, this angle is marked with the letter A. We can take a closer look at these rays as they arrive at the eye. These rays form an image by passing through the eye lens. Rays parallel to the principal axis are brought to a focus at the principal focus or focal point. Rays which are not parallel to the principal axis come to a focus in the focal plane, that is, directly below the focal point. If we were looking at the moon, as shown earlier, an image of the top of the moon would be formed at the tip of the arrow, and an image at the bottom of the moon would be formed at the focal point F. The size of the image is determined by the focal length of the lens concerned. You can see that when the focal length of the lens is long, the image produced is larger.